John the Third, John the Third, nigga, John the Third.
I learned to have more hope than solo. I yearn to play golf in tie-dye polo. Legalize it like Congress did for homos. Thursday I pull bitches with Busta Manilow. I get my ideas while soaking in the tub, sipping a cup of cocoa. 112, you already know. I ain't lying, I'm a baller. That's Brian.
Bitch, better have my money. Don't act like you forgot.
Say the dramatics, this ain't an audition. Or you'll be sleeping with Aquaman, gone fishing, gone missing. The case was past the force, 48 niggas on Instagram, dry snitching. My woman's Whitney Houston, she wanna dance with somebody. Whitewash image gimmicks laced with fame and Bacardi. Swanton bombing two of a JJ, I am Jeff Hardy. Pussy so wide, fuck around and lost my car keys in my garage remote. True story told, I inspired the Seahawks to blow the Super Bowl. My chick's a wolf, she wanna blow your house and dick down if you got weed to spark. We bring in the new year like Dick Clark. I come and play with the Warriors, vest on, kidnapping gardeners like Rick Ross. The Teflon Don.
Warriors, come out and